Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the iPhone so change is saved to your Apple ID. Once done, open Wallet and scroll directly to the card you want removed. Tap that card to reveal details and the or info icon. This gives you the controls you need. You're doing this now to prevent accidental purchases and to update default payment choices. Make sure you're on the device that actually stores the card. Otherwise, changes may not propagate to other devices. You'll tap the info or three-dot menu, then select Remove Card to start deletion. This is immediate on the device. If the card is set as your default, change the default first in Wallet settings so Apple doesn't prompt during removal. For additional devices, open the Watch app on iPhone and go to Wallet and Apple Pay to remove the card from the watch. Otherwise, it can remain active there. Make sure to follow prompts and authenticate if Apple asks, because once removed, open Wallet again to confirm the card is gone. You should not see it listed. If the card persists, sign out of your Apple ID, restart the device, and sign back in. This forces sync across iCloud. If that still fails, unpair any Apple Watch or remove the card via your bank's mobile app, because some networks reinstate tokens. And if transactions show after removal, contact the card issuer immediately. They can block tokens and prevent further charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.